Hi, this is Roger and Liza from Knead Massage and Myotherapy in Brisbane, giving you a demonstration of the two-legged glute bridge, which is an important exercise for activating your gluteus maximus muscle. To perform the exercise, you will lie on your back like so with your knees bent. It's important to bring your ankles close to your bottom, because if too far away from the bottom, you will use your hamstrings instead of your glute max. Once you're in position with your ankles close, you want to elevate your hips to the sky. And you want to hold this for 10 to 30 seconds. After you've performed isometrics, it's also advantageous to just perform the exercise through its range of movement. So you lift the hips up and drop the hips down. This helps to mobilize the structures at the front, such as your hip flexors and your quadriceps.